Okay guys, today I'll be teaching you how to set up your environment to get your tools ready so that you can be able to start coding. So first I'll be introducing you to CodePen. CodePen is a social development environment for front-end developers and developers in general. It enables you build and deploy a website to show off your work, build test cases to learn and to debug and to find inspiration. Um, when I mean find inspiration, on CodePen, it's possible for you to search for works that people have done. You have access to what other people have done. You can actually use their code to rebuild what you want. So the first thing I want you to do is to open your browser. You could open any browser that you want. I'll be using Firefox. You can use Chrome. You can use Chrome and use Firefox. So I've got my Chrome here open. Type in the following web page or visit the following web page, codepen.io, and hit enter. So the page has loaded. Now we have the CodePen.io. Trust me, the guys that built this site are really awesome. They have very good design sense. Let's just look through the site. Yep. So here we are. So the first thing you can do is I would recommend you sign up so that you can have your pens saved. One thing I need you to understand with CodePen is all code that you write on CodePen is called a pen. So whatever you scribble on CodePen, whatever the language is, it is called CodePen. It's called a pen on CodePen. So to get started, I recommend you sign up. Click here, sign up. Sorry. So we have three ways you can sign up, or let's just say four. You can sign up via Twitter. You can sign up via GitHub. I'll be introducing GitHub to you in the later videos, but for now, let's keep GitHub. If you want to sign up with Facebook, it's okay, but I would recommend you sign up with your email address. So you can hit the email, sign up with email, and then you have your name. You can choose your username, create an email address, choose a password. Normally after choosing your password and hitting the enter button, you'll be sent a confirmation email for you to confirm your account. Once that is done, you will be signed in. Like your interface would be like this. So here is your dashboard. What comes out is your CodePen dashboard. As you can see, here is my profile. I created this profile so many years ago. So by clicking on the image here, you see your profile. You can access your dashboard, your profile. You can create a new pen from here, a new project, a new collection. We have something called an asset manager here, assuming you have a lot of things you're working on, maybe a group of projects you're working on. This helps you organize everything you're working on. So if you want to sign out, you can sign out, log out from here. Here's the settings button. So first, the first thing I want to show you the power of CodePen. You can be able to search anything you want to search. So let's come here and search for navigation bars. Click enter. Sorry, none was found. Let's search for forms. So we'll have this. So this is I did this form some years back with HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. So you can search for this, search for this form. So this is a sample form that was written using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. There's still very much you can find here. Let's go back and search for more. CodePen to see pens that people have done. So we can search for forms. This is a multi-step form. Here you see the title of the form is multi-step form with progress bar using jQuery and CSS3. Here is the author of this pen. Here is the HTML code. So we have HTML here, we have CSS here, and we have JavaScript over here. So it's possible for you to code all three at the same time and see it change. Isn't this exciting? So we can see that the pen has been loaded. You can put in your email here, you can put in your password, blah blah blah, type in your password, you confirm, and you hit next. So this is a sample pen. So I'd like us to go back to our pen. I would like us to create a pen for ourselves. So there are two ways you can create a pen for yourself. You can come here, you click pen. When you click this pen, it shows all the pens you have ever created. From here, you can also create a pen, or you can click on your icon, your user account, and click here, new pen. So what you can see here is a blank HTML space editor, an empty CSS editor, and an empty JavaScript editor. So I would want you to do this for me. I want you to type the following code, the code you're seeing on the screen. I want you to type it into your HTML section. Don't bother about the meaning of everything you see here, the head tag and the rest. It will be explained to you in subsequent chapters. Or you can join me as I type. You can simply ignore every other tag and start by typing. You notice the moment I started typing, the screen changed its color. So over here, I'm going to put a P tag. Yeah, you notice what happened here. We have the text that we just wrote in the P tag. Welcome to my first website. So as you are typing into the CodePen HTML code editor, the page updates dynamically. You can actually format it with CSS. Don't bother about whatever I'm doing here. I'm just showing you how it works. You can say P color green. Notice the moment I put green here, the color of this changed. You can say font family Sergio UI, or let's just say Sans area. To change the font, you have font size. There are different ways of specifying the font size. You can say 10 pixels, and that is it. Notice that the size of the font was reduced, so we can increase this to 60 pixels, and it becomes very big. We can actually change. Sorry. Set the background color for the website to blue. You can use orange. So that's about that. I won't be going into JavaScript right now. So after this, you would notice that CodePen automatically saves your code. So your typing is saving your code. Typing is saving your code. But it takes time. There is usually a lapse before it saves your code. So what you can do is you can press Ctrl S to save your code, or you can, okay, I just press Ctrl S and the page is reloaded. So or you can come here and press save. Right? You can save this pen by clicking this. So the pen will be saved. That will be all for now. In the next video, I'll be introducing you to other text editors. See you in the next lecture.